7:52. Rally driver. Rally. 752 meters above sea level. Pianura. I'm just going to have a quick look. 39 k's and we've done 671 meters of climbing. Not too bad. If that's accurate, I don't know. But yeah, drinking those 660ml bottles of beer helps, I guess. 8:45 and there's the bell tower for the church. We're here in Louisiana. I'm just going to do a quick squiz around. I got my shoe covers on, so I've got to be careful. World War I monument, and oh, very welcome stop. I'm hungry. Okay. We're in Louisiana having a coffee and brioche break. I'm picking out pretty well. As you can see, look at the size of this little baby. I got two. So, yeah. Have a look at that. That rock face. The little town. Wow, really clear now. That's that Pasubio area up there. There's Franco and Roberto, and wow, beautiful. Okay, now Marcucci specials, big quads. Yeah, he hasn't lost any form. In actual fact, he's saying that on Sunday he's doing the Milan San Remo Gran Fondo. They do all 297 k's of the course. Beautiful. So hopefully the clouds will hold. Taking a side road to Monte Corno, C-O-R-N-O, Mount Horn, whatever. But wanted to get a bit of film how green it is around here. It's a little bit difficult when you got a gut full of brioche and cream. Oh well. We've got fog, but have a look at that. Fantastic. We're almost at the top. This is the site of a significant World War I battle. Roberto, in la guerra mondiale quanti hanno morti qui? Che altezza siamo? 1300? British Cemetery. We're just above 1300 meters. There's a British cemetery back there. Unfortunately, we've got the fog, so what can you do? I'm only wearing this light summer top, so I'm hoping we're not going to get any rain. I wonder if there's any newspaper around. going to be heading downhill. 1234 meters of climbing in 51 kilometers, so not bad. We're up at, as I said, just over 1300 meters, and yeah, Roberto's helped me out since I don't have a spray jacket. I should be okay. He's ripped open a plastic bag, and it's across my chest, and that's the remains of some World War I fortifications, as you can see down there. Must have been a real battle because, as I said, there was a British cemetery. There's various cemeteries up this way. Oh, Jesus, he braked hard then. Franco, vado un po' avanti. I'd rather corner without him in front of me, because he was just braking a bit too hard on the bends. I could feel my back wheel starting to skid a bit. I'll hold back until we get to the Rubio Road, where I know where to go, and then get past him. So we're back onto the downhill. There's a short bit of uphill. I'm thinking a guy with that kind of racing experience, surely he'd go a bit quicker downhill. Overall, that was a good ride. We did some 23-24 k's of climbing, but it would have been only average 5 to 7%. You know, it was the last kilometre or so had some 8%. That's pretty much it, really. Quite good. 22 k's to maybe Bassano, I don't know. Oh, we're going right now. Oh, what's this? I have no idea where we are now. Bit of a detour. Hey, Roberto, chi è quel paese là?
È Louisiana.
Louisiana?
Sì, sì, sì.
Oh.
Conco. No, è Louisiana quella. Questa. Conco. Louisiana si ha.
It's Conco. Louisiana there, Conco over there. Ma questo è l'altopiano di Asiago. Altopiano di Asiago.
Sì, sì, sì.
Really? Oh, Boccetta. Ma che strada bella.
Una vergogna.
Ho fatto ieri. This is where I rode on yesterday. I think Rudy would remember this. What a shit road. Okay, now bust your ass on this road. You can hear the stones from the bitumen hitting the carbon. This is where they were yesterday. They were just putting little amounts of bitumen here and there. What a waste of time. Useless. Oh, another detour. Oh. Oh well. Shit.